Here we are doing Patricia Treatment a favor. Just so you know, I don't usually do this. Okay. Lee Chemicals. Lee Computer Companies. Okay. So here's the thing. This is where shit gets interesting. This is gonna require a lot of setup. Oh wait, this is Lee Chemicals. This is where shit becomes a little bit different, right? So So, grab valuables. Yup. A dick cutter for 60. Okay, that is maybe significant. Press tag to toggle map and objectives. So these three motherfuckers, right? So then here's the thing. There's a fire alarm. And I think there's some kind of other alarm. So I need to get out of here without sounding any of the alarms. And now the way I've found that you play the game is that you need to kind of set up things, right? So like you need to set up things, right? So let's say that I'm trying to run out, then instead of this door being locked, right, and I have to like fucking fiddle with it, I need the door to be open, then grab something, and then run as fast as I can, right? So you need to set shit up. Okay, where were the fucking things? Of course M isn't map. Because why would it be? Oh yeah, shit. So look at this, right? I need to get into this house. And I've got just the thing to do. And now, I'm fairly certain there's something valuable up in there. Somewhere. Oh. 25 bucks, eh? I know there is valuable shit in there. Oh yeah, and then F. Get a flashlight. Now this suddenly looks like a horror game or some shit. Opening doors for pussies. Yeah, that's the shit we're supposed to do. Yeah! Pension. Target cleared. It was a pension fund. Okay, so if I just fuck shit up. I'm fairly certain there is something. Huh? Wow, 15 bucks. I'm really that poor. I have to steal painting worth 15 bucks. Okay, can I? Yeah? There seems to be nothing more here. Fucking hell. But wasn't it underneath the stairs? Oh, it's another. Okay. Okay, so that was target 1. And then there's another one in the building. Is there just a door? There is, of course, just a door. Whoop. Valuable. Look, I'm making money as shit. Oh, fuck. Where's the thing I need to get? Oh, it's up there. Right. Okay. Oh, but I can't get to up there. What if I just don't do this shit at home? I've got a feeling that I don't really need to say it, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Oh no, no, I don't think I have infinite extinguishing. Oh yeah. That did not help. I need to look at the dumb map. Okay, let's do it again. Fuck. Oh, what? Yeah! Fuck yeah. Oh wait, actually. Wait, I could have just done this the whole time? Okay, I'm looking for valuables, like fucking... I need that shit. Come on. No valuable paintings or anything, no. Wait, is that a safe? That's a whole ass closet. Is there anything important in the closet? Come on, what's in the closet? Is there nothing in the closet? Oh, that's good. Wait, is that a copying machine? Fucking, I'm getting distracted. Okay, and then we need that little shit there. Spray can. I'm a 5-year-old kid. No, I'm a 10-year-old. It's fucking... So. There we go. That's how it goes when you drive a dumb Raptor. Oh shit. Yeah. Pun tax deduction fund. Okay. Mission accomplished. Have I been in this building? I don't think I have. I'm just gonna check for random shit. Mission accomplished. Yeah. No. Because you see, I want money. And I'm gonna find it. Wherever it may be. Okay. Okay, there's only crouch. Have I been in every building then? Have I been here? No, I haven't. What are you? Is that gasoline? That's gasoline! Oh, they're just asking for it. Yeah, Battle of Gulmar. What? Parkour. What kind of secret thing did I unlock? Nothing. Okay. I think I've been everywhere. So the last thing for me to do is to just... No, I haven't been here. Okay. What kind of secrets are there? What kind of secrets do you have in your tower? Nothing. If I die, is that dumb? Wait, can I? Yeah, fuck your shit. Yeah, fuck your shit. Yeah. And that is how bobcats are made. Yeah, fuck you, Lee. Fuck you. I don't stand Lee. Damn, I'm so funny. Huh. Just under 10 minutes. That's a personal record.